Google is taking the smartphone world by storm with the all-new Pixel 8 Pro. It's expected to come with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 8GB per 12GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of storage, making it a powerhouse of a device. Plus, the Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to feature a triple rear camera setup, including a primary 50MP sensor, 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 48MP telephoto sensor so you can take stunning pictures from any angle. And that's not all. The Google Pixel tablet is expected to come with a 10.1-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, and 6GB per 8GB of RAM. Plus, the Google Pixel Fold could be Google's first foldable smartphone, with an 8.1-inch foldable OLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, and 12GB of RAM. The Pixel 7a could also be a more affordable option, featuring a 6.2-inch OLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, and 6GB of RAM. With a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP primary sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, you'll be able to take great photos at an even more affordable price. So stay tuned to get the latest updates from Google and experience the latest and greatest technology with the Pixel 8 Pro. Get ready to be amazed.